In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide filters in Notion effectively and seamlessly integrate this into your workflow. Many of us, as Notion users, love the versatility and the vast customization options it offers. Yet, sometimes, having too much clutter on your page can be visually overwhelming. So, hiding filters can help keep your workspace neat and your focus sharp. Let's dive in. First, you'll open your Notion page or database where you have filters set up. Whether it's a project management table, a task tracker, or even a personal journal, the process remains the same. Once in the desired page or database, locate the filter menu. If it's not already visible, you can usually find it by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of any database view. It's often labeled with Filter or an icon that represents filters. Click on this to open your current filtering options. Here, you'll see the filters that are active or inactive. The list might look a bit daunting, especially if you have several filters set up, but don't worry. You want to keep your hands steady as you look for an option that allows you to interact with these filters. Now, navigating through these options, find where it says Hide when empty. This is a crucial step because it allows your filters to only surface when there's data that fits their criteria. Click on this to activate it. By doing this, you essentially set your page to only display filters when they are actively filtering data, significantly reducing clutter when your filters are not in use. Now, remember, while Notion doesn't have a built-in feature to hide filters completely, using this method helps you maintain a cleaner page. It'll make your Notion workspace look more organized without removing any existing functionality. At this point, you might wonder, what if I have multiple views, like a board view or gallery view in my Notion database? Well, the same principles apply here. You'll want to head to each view in which you want to declutter the filters by clicking the view selector and going through the same steps. This ensures a consistent look across your various page layouts. If you ever want to reveal the filters again, you just need to go back to the filter menu and toggle the same options to bring them back into view. Simple. And lastly, one quick tip, periodically reviewing your filters, adding the Hide when empty option wherever applicable, can significantly improve your productivity. It helps keep your workspace minimal and focused, especially when dealing with extensive projects over time. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this process straightforward and useful for managing your Notion workspace. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Notion!